Well, still having problems with me nitrates and phosphates. Bloody Hannah 0 again. Me fuzzy mushrooms. I took out the big main tank. They've went into a bit of shock, but they're picking up a bit now. One of these. I actually use this over the other tank. Chinese cob LED multi-spectrum 90 watts, so I've just stuck that there, just giving them some light, just keeping them, save them dying. Right, the video is about me water. Right, I've got 0 phosphates on the Anna, very little on the Salifert test kit. Now, I was going to order some monosulfate, not potassium, monosulfate, phosphate, something like that, a food grade one. So I've been in the shed and I've checked my RO, and my RO was at 75 ppb, and I put 4 litres of evaporation in a day, and I still can't get a reading, because obviously the corals and everything, the bacteria, everything's using it all up. So I thought there's got to be an easier way to increase your phosphates and feeding more. And my nitrates are 4.6 parts per million ppm, so that's not a problem. So I don't add the nitro plus anymore, because that drives your phosphate into the ground, and I think that's what I've done, trying to increase my nitrates. So anyway, so this is my RO water here for top up evaporation, and what I'm mixing for mixing me salt mixes. And so what I thought to myself anyway, so I've measured it with the Anna, my supply water for top up, and it was 79 parts per billion phosphorus. So I thought to myself, I need to, so what I've done is I've disconnected the feed off my RO system, disconnected the feed off the deionize pod. Right, that's got that DI resin in it, right, and I've measured the actual supply coming off that, and it's 200 parts per billion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna instead of adding more chemicals, I'm gonna leave me covers off the top of the tank, so I get more evaporation in the living room. And I'm gonna start adding 200 parts per billion top up water to see if I can increase my phosphates without adding any of this phosphate chemical. I'm determined I'm not adding no more chemicals, even though this monosaturated phosphate, it's only cheap, but it's just something you've got to remember to add all the time. And I'm already doing my KH twice a day and my calcium every other day, and now I'm on to testing for potassium, because I had K plus and A minus, I think I've got that right, K plus A minus, tropic marine elements, and the K part of K plus is potassium. That's what the chemical symbol is for potassium, K. So if anybody thinks they're not adding potassium with them two additives, just think about it. The chemical symbol for potassium is K, and that's called K plus. So it's not rocket science, that it is potassium that you're adding anyway. So I've tested me potassium, and it's at 430, maybe 440, so that's like within range. So I'm happy about that, because I've been using this trace elements now for 12 months, and I'm thinking my trace elements are through the roof, especially me potassium. I don't know why. Anyway, so I've tested for potassium. I'll just do that once a month. So anyway, so I'm going to start adding 200 parts per billion. Excuse me, got a bit of a chest infection. 200 parts per billion top up water, see if we can increase my phosphates. Thanks, bye.